Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Texas driver's license. So, first is, of course, you must establish Texas residency and you must live in Texas. And to prove this, you'll need documents such as utility bills, lease agreements, or a residency affidavit or Form DL5 if your name isn't on the lease. Next is, of course, you're going to gather required documents. Use the Real ID document checklist on the Texas DPS site to know exactly what to bring. You can always check this on the dps.texas.gov webpage. And required documents include proof of identity, your U.S. birth certificate or passport, social security number, Texas residency proof, vehicle registration, and insurance if you own a vehicle. Next is, of course, you're going to need to complete required courses if applicable. Ages 18 to 24 must complete a 6-hour adult driver education course online or in person before applying. And for all ages 18 and above, you must complete the Impact Texas Adult Drivers or ITAD safety video within 90 days before taking your driving test. Next step is, of course, you're going to need to schedule a DPS appointment, and you can do so by visiting, of course, once again, the Texas Department of Public Safety webpage. And from here, you should be able to see this new appointment scheduling system on their webpage. So all you have to do is click on this link and follow all the on screen steps and guidelines to schedule an appointment. And of course, you're going to need to visit the DPS for your appointment. At your appointment, you'll submit documents, application, form DL 14A, and pay fees, of course. And you're also going to undergo a vision test, take the written knowledge test, provide thumbprints, photo, and biometric info. And if you're ready and scheduled for it, you must take the road driving test. If you don't take it same day, you'll receive a B restricted license, also called an adult permit, requiring a licensed adult 21 above in the front seat. And after passing the driving test, that restriction is removed. So once you've done all the steps that we've gone through earlier, you should then be able to receive or get a temporary license valid for about 45 days, and then a permanent plastic card will arrive by mail in 2 to 3 weeks. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!